The conditions we are seeing move in tonight, John, are a bit of a precursor to what we could see tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right, David. It's going to be an interesting evening, early overnight period as we go throughout your Thursday. And even out there right now, we have been talking about not only some showers, but even a few general thunderstorms. Nothing severe out there, at least for this evening, but that could be changing as we go towards this time tomorrow. So let's walk you through some of the latest data we have coming in. There it is throughout the rest of this evening. Future View still showing a few of those showers and could even include a few more rumbles of thunder, at least throughout the evening hours. Once we start to lose that daytime heating, any at least thunderstorm chances will start to diminish. And even still, our shower chances too really going to become spotty once we're going past the midnight hour and getting into our Thursday. Now, most of our Thursday morning, even going throughout the afternoon hours, we're talking about a mostly dry day. But Thursday is going to be a day where if we happen to get some more sunshine in the mix, that's going to help to destabilize the atmosphere. And once we have a cold front associated with the system moving through later on in the evening, that could help to drive a few more thunderstorms developing. So notice right there throughout Thursday, going in throughout most of the day, we're looking dry, but you start to see some initiation off to the west in Wisconsin, and that's what we will be tracking as we're going later into the evening. So here's a look at our time frame. We're talking about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. It's going to be an initial line moving through areas closer to Manistee, Ludington, Big Rapids first. As we go later towards midnight, this will continue to make northeasterly progress right up 127 near 75, and then eventually into early Friday morning, the storm chances will start to diminish. So that's going to be our window to watch as we are going into late Thursday night, very early on Friday morning, as we are going throughout the rest of the week. So let's go ahead and highlight the hazards. I still think the main ones that we're talking about within any storm development is going to be the potential for damaging winds and some large hail. Unfortunately, our tornado risk has increased slightly, so we do have to pay attention to that a little bit closer. Also, our chances for some heavy rainfall could lead to some minor flooding. So this is going to be an evening where you do want to make sure that you just have several ways to get weather alerts for your area. This information is not to scare you, it's to make you prepared for the chances of what we could see going later into Thursday evening. Let's talk about temperatures, at least for the overnight period. It's still going to be mild. There's a look at your numbers. 50s, if not some 60s. That chance still there for a few showers with a few at least general thunderstorms as we're going closer to the midnight hour. And there's a look at the numbers as we get into the day tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit warmer as we go throughout the afternoon, especially farther away from the lakeshore. 70s, even a few 80s, but as you're going closer to the immediate lakeshore, still going to be held back a few degrees. More 50s and 60s. There it is, eastern upper tip of the mid. Check out numbers here as we're going into western lower by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a warm day, not only some 70s, but I think several locations are going to have the potential to reach back into the low 80s as we go throughout the day. And heat is one main thing we do need for that storm chance. So we're going to have that in play for tomorrow afternoon. Eastern lower, closer to the Lake Huron shoreline, some 60s, but farther inland, easily talking about some 70s, if not even a few low 80s. And same deal as we take you into central lower. It's not only some 70s, but some low 80s. Just know that, again, most of our Thursday at this point trends dry. That window for the storms comes in later into the evening hours, closer to midnight, very early on Friday morning. So we'll keep you posted on that as we're going throughout the rest of today into tomorrow. There it is into the next 7 days as we take you into the weekend, still staying unsettled. We'll talk about some cooler numbers there, 50s, if not even some 40s. Drier start to early next week. David, back to you.